Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix NVIDIA display settings are not available error in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start, search here Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now here expand display adapters, this one. Now right click on your graphic card, then disable device. Now close and restart, and again search device manager, then right click on it and enable device. And restart your system. So this is the first method. Second one you can try. So still you are facing problems, so you can try this method. Search this URL. I will give link in description. So open any web browser and search this URL. Now here you will see GeForce drivers, automatic driver updates. Just download and install this software. And once this downloading process complete, double click on this setup file and install in your device, and follow the suggestions which GeForce Experience show you. So update all drivers for your graphic card, then restart your system. So this is the method guys to fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.